And the dryer here, not started. Usually the first thing to look at is the thermal fuse. It's behind that. That guy is good. Then you check your door switch. I mean, I got this thing all taken apart, but problem here, it's not very common. So you heard the relay click. We're going to do it again. Relay's clicking. This is L1 for your motor, and that light blue wire goes through that thermal fuse down to the motor to start it. We're just going to jump it. Don't try this at home, kids. You'll see why here in a minute. That relay is out on this board. That's the problem.